Mike here with Delta. Let's make sure you're right where you need to be. You're ready to watch this video if you've either upgraded, installed, or already have a compatible touch-to-a faucet and you've already installed your VoiceIQ module. Remember, we have videos to help you with those steps if you need them. If all that sounds familiar, you're ready for setup. Now, this is the fun part. First, a quick run-through of what you'll need to do this. A tablet or a mobile phone and an internet-connected Wi-Fi signal in your kitchen. Delta has made this really easy, so let's get started. First, let's ensure your VoiceIQ module is in Wi-Fi setup mode. If you look at your VoiceIQ module under the sink, you should see a blinking green light. Then, you know it's ready to connect. If you don't see a green blinking light, you may need to unplug the Ethernet cable for about 10 seconds from module to reset it. Now, using your phone or tablet, connect to the VoiceIQ module's Wi-Fi signal. It'll have a unique identifier in the network name that says Delta, followed by some letters and numbers. Once you're connected, open your browser and enter the URL 10.10.10.1, and then once the page loads, click Get Started. You'll need to confirm your Wi-Fi network password and choose Connect. The next page will automatically save your configuration, reboot the device, and connect your faucet to the cloud. On the next screen, you'll need to register your device with either an Amazon or Google Voice-enabled device. For this video, I'm using Amazon, so we'll choose to log in with Amazon. Once you've signed in, it will verify the registration and run any necessary updates. Once it's finished, your device is registered and you can test it by selecting Turn On. Your faucet should turn on. Then select Turn Off, and if that works, then select Next. Now we'll configure our Amazon Echo to enable the voice features. So click Amazon Echo and then navigate to your Amazon Alexa app to install and enable the Delta skill. To do that, click on the menu in the top left and select Skills and Games. Then type in Delta in the search bar, and then select Delta Smart Home from the list. Then click on Enable to Use. Then on the next page, be sure the device address box is checked and click Save Permissions. You'll then need to log into Amazon again to enable the skill. Once that's successful, go back to your web browser and click Next. Your setup is complete. You can choose See All Commands to see the standard commands, and if you're feeling creative, you can create custom commands by going back and choosing Customize. This is where you can create preset amounts to fill specific items like a coffee pot, a dog bowl, or a water pitcher, for example. So let's change the amount for a coffee pot. First, select coffee pot, and then set the amount of cups, ounces, pints, or whatever measure you prefer from the list. And then, if you'd like to test it, simply hit Test. If you're happy with it, then hit Save. You can also create a new preset by selecting Add New, then name your container, choose the volume desired, and save it. That's it. Be sure to bookmark device.deltafaucet.com for easy access to the web page where you can see settings, FAQs, and a list of voice commands. Okay, that's it. Now get in there and start using it. At first it might take a little bit of getting used to, but stick with it, you'll be relying on it before you know it. Alexa, ask Delta to turn on the water.